In this video, we're talking how to install custom code into your funnels, into your pages, into your websites. It's very simple. So it really depends on what you're trying to do. So let's look at the first thing. So when you go into your funnel or website settings, you have the custom code area. Basically, this is the place where in most cases you'll be adding anything. So this is the head markup. So if you want to add, for example, Google Analytics, this is the place where you do it. You want to add a Facebook pixel, actually you can do it in application and I can show you in a moment, but you can also add here. Any live chat, third-party scripts, everything you can add in this area. Now this is for the whole funnel or for the whole website. If you want to add it just for this page that you're currently on, you can go and click on page head markup. So this markup will be only added for the page that you're currently in, not to the others. Same for the CSS. The CSS is the styling that you can add to your page. You can style, the whole pages or the whole thing. So from the custom CSS, you add it for the whole funnel or the website. And if you want to do it just for the page, again, it's the page CSS. Same goes for the body markup here and here. You can toggle. So this is how simple it is. Just copy and paste. Basically, Control V, Control C. Basically, added the code here. Now, another way to add custom code into your pages in a specific certain point of your page is by using the code widget. What is this for? So basically, if you have, let's say, a widget, some kind of an element that you have to add, let's say some kind of a custom code, and you want to display here, maybe, I don't know, whatever it is, you can just click on add widget, and at the bottom you see the code widget. So you can drag this widget anywhere, like a normal widget, anywhere on your page, and the blue line will again indicate where you want to drop it. So you just find a place and drop it onto the page. And here you can add your HTML, your CSS, your JavaScript here, and you can execute it directly into the page in that specific location where you pick to place the widget. So this is it. This is how simple it is. And lastly, how do you add any applications? So again, applications you can add like I showed you from the custom code, but you can also do from the applications section. Now, there you have access to the API, which you can also use to connect with Zapier with like 2000 plus more applications, or you can click on add application. Now from here you can access the different applications that we have natively integrated with. So you have different autoresponders, you have the pixel like I told you. So from here, this is basically the best way to connect the pixel to the whole funnel or website is just by adding the ID. And by adding the pixel ID, that automatically starts to track everything basically like sales or lead generation or different types of events for your funnel or website. So you can just do it like this, or you can do it from the custom code area. That's completely fine as well. So the other applications you can just connect with and add whatever information is, well, in this case Aweber goes to Aweber, but with the others, if you go to the applications, some kind of API key would have to be added that will be provided by the actual application that you are connecting with. And then you have the webhooks. Basically, the webhooks allow you to connect with whatever application you want. These are just ways to communicate between different platforms and the APIs that they have. And we have documentation on that, so you can check it in our help guide on specifically how to use the webhooks. But basically, upon a specific event, and from here you select what kind of event it is, it creates basically you're calling the application and you're sending the information for a new order in this case, or for new product that is being created. So all these things you can send to third-party applications via webhooks. And again, you can check that in our help guides, specifically how to use the webhooks. And we also have documentation about the API as well. So this is it, how simple it is to add from the custom code area any custom code, applications, or by using the code widget and just placing it anywhere onto your page to load basically any script or HTML or CSS into your funnels and websites. I hope that you enjoyed it, and talk to you in the next video.